2002 Chevy Suburban 5.3 liter V8. It's got aftermarket converter on this side, stock converter on this side. Then it winds into a single. Then it runs 3-inch. And we put a Delta Flow 40 series. He didn't want it too loud. And then added an extension piece there, back into his normal tailpipe, 3-inch tailpipe. This is the number on the Delta Flow, FLOWMASTer, 942542. If you guys want that, there'll be a link in the description for it. That's how you do a muffler swap on it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. There's the tailpipe on it. There's the old muffler right there. That's why we added that extension piece, because that muffler comes dual out into a single right there. That's how they did it back in the day, to make it quieter. So, let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Perfect. There's sound decibels on it. It's hitting 95 on the sound decibels. Not bad. You like it? Is that exactly what you wanted? Or you want it louder? Watch out. That muffler right there. We can install on yours too, whenever you're ready.
I know you can.
Delta Flow 40 series. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Suburban. Tell us what you guys think in the comments.